Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Ellen Grace Altobar Lopez, 26 years old, from La Fortuna, Veruela, Agusan del Sur, Philippines. A mother of 2 boys, a 4 years old and a 1 year and 4 months old. I am a college graduate. I don't have experience working abroad, but I have a household helper experience while studying here in the Philippines. My main duty is to do household chores like cleaning, cooking, doing laundry, ironing, and taking care of a 9-year-old boy. The reason why I applied to work in Hong Kong because this is one of my desired country, and also the salary is higher. I am a hardworking, dedicated, trustworthy, and willing to learn the task you've given. I've, if ever you will hire me, I will fulfill my duties and responsibility in your humble home, and I promise to finish my contract to work with you as long as you need me. I hope you will choose me as your helper. That's all. Thank you and God bless.